अच्छा, okay, Akshay, I'm sharing my screen. Akshay, can you view my see my screen?
Yes, I can see. Starting.
Okay. Yeah, you can start. Okay.
We'll wait for 2-3 more minutes, sir. Few people are about to join. Then we will start.
Okay.
I am dealing in computer hardware and CCTV cameras
Okay.
and tele partner also.
Tally partner also. Very good, sir. Guru Gautam Infotech. Can you please unmute and give us a short introduction, sir? Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Are you able to hear?
A little bit of echo is there, sir.
Hello, now sir?
Yes, it's clear.
Yeah, I'm Rashekar from Guru Gautam Infotech Private Limited. Presently, we are located in Bangalore.
Okay.
So we are into desktops, laptops, rentals, web designing, mobile apps development, and software development.
Great, sir. Thank you. Mr. Prince Sharma. Nilafar, Mr. Prince Sharma, can you just check whether he has a mic issue?
Prince sir, okay, just
Hello.
Hello.
Ha. Yes, Prince sir. Can you just give us a small introduction about yourself?
हेलो हेलो
हाँ सर, आवाज आ रही है आपकी. आपका एक शॉर्ट इंट्रोडक्शन दीजिए सर.
सर मुझे आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Nilofer, can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you.
We can hear.
Okay. So Prince sir, I was telling, can you give us a short introduction about yourself?
Okay. I'm Prince Sharma from HIMIT Services. We are a IT dealer and a 3-star sales and implementation partner of Tele.
Okay.
We are from Himachal district, Shimla.
Great. Thank you for joining, Prince sir. So we will begin the introduction. We'll begin the session. Hello everyone. My name is Akshay, and I am the business development manager at Secura. Along with me is our technical director, Mr. Himanshu Modi, who will showcase you the product demo. So Nilofer is my colleague who will assist me in today's product demonstration. So our company name is Secura, which comes under Sanda Group. We are UK and India based company. So in Sanda Group, we have diversified our business into wellness, lifestyle, and technology. We have a group of hotels. We have 3 resorts in Goa, which are the Baywatch Resort, the Beach House Resort, and Dudhsagar Spa Resort. We also publish a magazine which goes by the name Your Wellness. So this magazine focuses on personal health and wellness. Then we have our own chat application called Engage, which is the most comprehensive and feature-packed messenger. We have one more application called SUMS, which is a smart education management software. So SUMS application helps you to run your institute efficiently by bridging gap between teacher, student, and parents. But today we will focus on our product Secura. So before I proceed, I want to ask everyone a simple question. Mr. Ashok, Mr. Anil, Mr. Prince, do you think your data is in control, sir?
I don't think so, sir.
Correct, exactly, sir. So we think that we are actually having a control on our data, but we don't know how many copies are generated in the back, and this way we lose control of our data. So, Himanshu sir, can you just change the next slide, please? So this is our agenda for today, our mission. So our mission is to put you back in control of your data. So nowadays, most businesses don't have control on their data. Many copies are generated from one file, which makes us difficult to control our own data. Often we see when an employee leaves an organization, he takes his old company data with him and use it in his current organization for his personal and company growth. Also, many other companies lure him to sell their existing business data. So in 2014, we have faced similar incident where one of our employees stole our data. So because of which we have to suffer huge financial loss. After that incident, we as an organization decided whatever happened with us should not happen with any other organization. So after researching for 4 to 5 years and after spending close to 40 crores, we have came up with this product. We have our own development team who has developed this product in our Mumbai head office, and all our servers are located in India. So as you can see, the purpose of Secura Guard is mentioned in the slide. So what exactly is Secura Guard? So our product Secura Guard gives you complete control of all the data that is generated by Tally software. All information produced by Tally are totally locked and can only be accessed from Secura. So you can see the list of benefits offered by Secura Guard. The first benefit is thief proof. So in Secura, you can lock locally stored data from data thieves. You can block your staff from editing, moving, or copying data without permission. Even if your employee copies the data, he won't be able to access the data outside the organization as it is encrypted. Second benefit you get is safe from mistake and disaster. So if your device gets stolen or compromised, you can remotely destroy your Tally data. In case your file gets corrupted or your hard disk gets crashed, you don't need to worry. You are fully covered with automatic backups of Tally data onto your Secura cloud. The third benefit offered by Secura is secret and invisible mode. So there are many files which are private in an organization and you don't want to show it to anyone, not even your employees you want to show. You want to show it only to your top executives. So with Secura Guard, you can hide all those files. No one will be able to view that file until you use a special password which you have set. So your secret data is invisible. The data is there, but no one will be able to see it. The next benefit is intruder proof. So in your absence, if anyone is trying to access your data, you will get alerts. If someone logs into your system, you will get alerts. And if someone tries to use a wrong password multiple times, so the device will get blocked automatically. So you don't need to worry if anyone tries to get access of your data. With Secura Guard, you can also burn your device data in case of theft or accident. The last benefit provided by Secura is spy proof. So nowadays, what hackers do, they implement a spying tool in your system, which records all your data. So screen sharing and screen recording is not possible in Secura. Next. So before moving ahead, I want to ask everyone a very simple question. who do you think is the real danger to your data and subsequently for your business? Is it the people who are a danger, or is it the technology? Mr. Ashok, Guru Gautam Infotech, Prince sir, Anil sir, who do you think is the real danger here?
Technology.
So as per the research, sir, we have found that people are the danger over here. So the people are the biggest asset for any organization. However, they are biggest threat to any businesses, sir. So many of our employees in our company know where the data is kept, how much data is kept, and also know what kind of data is stored. So many businesses suffer from data loss because of humans. So as I have said before, when they leave an organization, they take important valuable data along with them. So technology will help you to make your work easy. It will help you to save time and increase your efficiency, but only if you implement it in the right manner. So here the question arises, who is going to implement it in the right manner? The answer is, of course, us humans. So in this slide, you can see the threat to your business comes from from four sides. So now you must be wondering why the first point is you. So I will try to explain you with an example. So everyone must have heard about a ransomware attack or CEO attack, but anyone knows themselves from such kind of attack? Does anyone from ransomware or CEO attack? Anil sir, Ashok sir, Prince sir.
No, sir. We did not face this type of attack.
Correct. So everyone must have heard about ransomware or read it about it somewhere, but no one knows how this type of attacks happens. So I would like to give you one more example, a very simple example you can take of Corona. So 2 years back, no one knew what this Corona is, but now even a small child know about Corona. So how does even a small child know about Corona? It is because the awareness of Corona was spread by the government through various means like newspaper, television, social media. So nowadays, even if you call someone, for the first minute, you will have to hear the coronavirus information. Then your call gets connected. So now you are fully aware how to protect yourself from Corona. So in this way, the awareness was created, sir. So that is the reason everyone knows about these viruses. The same way, sir, the awareness for cybersecurity is not there at the moment. So what we have done is we have created a product which focuses on the technology, but then we have also came up with a product which focuses on education as well to create the awareness about cyber security. So yes. So now how your business data gets out of control? What are the ways your business data gets out of control? So basically there are three ways how the business data gets out of control. The first is intentionally. So sometimes in an organization, an employee is not happy, so he wants to take revenge. So what he will do, he will try to steal your data. He might sell it to your, he might try to wipe the data. So in this way, intentionally, your data gets out of control. So in this way, the company also has to bear a lot of loss, and also a lot of time gets wasted in recovering the data unintentionally. So before I explain how data gets out of control unintentionally, I want to ask everyone a very simple question. So if I send one email, a very simple email from my ID to your ID, can anyone tell me what are the minimum number of copies are generated, sir? I'll repeat the question. If I send one simple email from my email ID to your email ID, can anyone tell me how many minimum number of copies are generated? Anil sir, Ashok sir, Guru Gautam Infotech, Prince Sharma.
Sir, I have no idea about it.
Okay, okay, no issues, sir. So in total, minimum of 4 copies of email will be generated. One in my send item, one in my mail server, one in your inbox, and one in your mail server. So nowadays, sir, mail servers are very easy to hack because in your mail, everything, your bank details, everything is there. So there are
Yes.
many people in our organization who also has a very common name, like Anil is a very common name, Ashok is a very common name. So while drafting an email to Anil, so by mistakenly I may send it to another Anil. But once I have sent the email, and suppose that email contains some important documents, I don't have anything I can do at that moment to take that data back. But in Secura, there is a way where you can take the contents back. So unintentionally, this way the data gets out of control. But through Secura, you can protect that as well. So now the third point is falling victims to cyber attacks. So 71% of the cyber attacks happen because of human error. Employees do not have necessary training to detect how cyber attacks happen. And because of this, the company becomes a victim to cyber attack. So why do businesses need to take control of their data? So everyone knows that data is a backbone of your business. Your data is your intellectual property. So unlike in the traditional world, so the traditional world I'm talking is like 15 to 20 years before, when everyone used to maintain a journal to keep a record of their data. So in case if anyone takes a Xerox copy of that data, we used to come to know that yes, I have given to so and so person to make a copy of my data. But today in this digital era, we don't know how many copies are made in the backend. So in this way, we actually lose control of our data, and we have to do something to take control of our data. So introducing Secura. At the moment, we are having two products which we are discussing today, sir. One is Secura Guard, which protects your Tally data, and along with the technological part, we have one more product called the Secura Cyber Shield, which focuses on the educational part. So in Secura Cyber Shield, we test your employees by doing mock attacks. We do phishing attacks and social engineering attacks to try and test your defenses. Then we train your employees and increase awareness how to protect them from cyber threats. Then we actually want to convert employees into a human cyber shield with the help of Secura Cyber Shield. So, to Mr. Himanshu. Hello, Himanshu sir. Yes. So Secura Guard is a comprehensive solution which connects with your business infrastructure, secures by looking all forms of digital content and communication from internal and external attacks. So with Secura Guard, you can protect your Tally data, you get backup on cloud, you get also instant messaging services with Secura Guard. So what is this instant messaging services? So many of us use WhatsApp in our organization to share data. So and this is how many of our data gets out of control because of
translate.google.com पे जाओ और
okay. So with Secura Guard, you get instant messaging services, which you can use in our organization, and your data stays within your organization because of use of instant messaging with the help of Secura Guard. So with Secura Guard, you can also protect your local stored content. So you can encrypt your folders, the important folders, or your data. Next. So with Secure Guard, the owner is always in control. So these are the features listed. So what is this take back? So suppose I shared an important information with you or a file with you on email, and I want to take that content. So I have the rights assigned to me in Secura, where once I send the information, I can take back the contents whenever I want. So self-destruct. So with self-destruct, if you're suppose you're sending an important email to someone, and you want that person to read that email, and the moment he has read that email, you want that email to get destroyed. So self-destruct option is also available. So allow copy, allow forward, and allow edit. So once you send an email to someone, you have controls in your hand. So you can allow the other person to forward the data, or you can allow the other person to edit the data. So all the controls are in your hand and not in the other person's hand. So If with SecuraGuard, you also get a secret area. So in this secret area, you can keep all your private files locked, and it is locked in such a way that only you will be able to access that file. With SecuraGuard, you also get audit trail report. So what is this audit trail report? So suppose you want to track the activities of your employee, what work he has done for that particular day, how many emails he has sent, or what file he has worked today. So with audit trail, you will get an entire report of what your employees does. IP block, you can do IP block with SecuraGuard. Then instant encrypt and instant decrypt option is also available with SecuraGuard. So you also get an option to allow delete, allow print. So in this way, with the help of SecuraGuard, your data stays in your controls. Next. So Mr. Himanshu Modi is our technical director who will showcase you the product. Over to you, Mr. Himanshu, sir.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. So before I start, I just want to just let you know that why you become a partner with us. Okay. So why you need to we recruit the partner first. So we have decided as a company that whatever the product we are going to sell right now to the partners only. Okay. And the reason behind the partner is that partner is already has their own customers since last couple of years. Okay. And this product is already designed, means specially designed for SMEs, small, medium-sized organization, where the major issue with them is they have a limited staff. They don't have any fixed, like for example, some companies, they have IT support team in-house, but they don't have in-house IT support team. They ask for IT companies like a IT hardware supplier provider. They recruit them as a AMC contract or something like that. So they don't have anything continuously which monitor their data or they put anything in their control, because in SMEs, one person is doing multiple things. So he's aware about more about the data than his boss. Okay, he knows that, okay, where is the data, where the data is actually backup is also taking care. Everything is aware rather than his owner. Okay, and that's the reason majorly in the SMEs, owners are having a very major dependency with their employees. And because of that, sometimes that employees has the creating a problem with the boss. Okay, so we got some requirements like that from our partner also, that some partners have told us that they got the requirement from the customers that their employee, when they left, they delete some data, they do something, they take the backup, everything. If the salesperson is, they take the data of contact and customers, and then they go with that contact and they join some competitor company, and they now promote our same customer, their product, and they are losing customers. Okay, so this is all common problems companies facing. Okay, but currently in the market, nobody is focusing on this type of problems. All problems currently, different softwares are available, which is utility software, or might be an antivirus software or something like that. And especially this product is developed to take control of your data. Now you can get involved with this solution, okay, and you can benefit to your customers. So it's a long-term benefit to your customers, because you need to explain them in a proper way that why this type of product is required to their organization. Why? Because they think this is not a need, but it's a long-term need. Actually, it's not a short-term need, because it's a long-term need. If their data is in control in the longer run, they don't have to worry about the data theft or the employee dependency, anything they don't have to worry about. Second thing, you can, right now, whatever the business you are doing, if you are selling tally, if you are doing IT hardware business, okay, you need to continue like the same thing. This is the product which is you are giving as an add-on. It's not like you are doing something like existing. Suppose you are selling tally, and we are coming up with the busy software or something else, Smart ERP software, and we said, okay, you start selling competitor software. No, it's not like that. It's an add-on. It is supporting tool for your customer. Okay. We also provide you 25% commission on every sales, and also the same for the renewal. So you will get the same percentage on the renewal also. Okay, and it's a like a LIC. So currently, if you means like suppose you recruit any customers, and customers are, if they want to buy renewal from another partners, we are not going to allow you till you give us the confirmation. Okay, so it's in your control, not in our control. Your customer is in your control. We are also provide you to right now as a partner, we don't charge any upfront or joining fees. We provide you full training support, marketing material. We have a secure partner sections where we upload all the documents, all your partner material there. Okay, and we also provide you your name material also. Like for example, you are promoting some leaflets or any banners or something like that. You can ask. We will add your number also. Okay. Now, one more thing is important that what we do also, we conduct every week 4 demos. Every week we conduct 4 demos for the customers where you can bring your customers and it will help them to understand our product and it will help them, I help you to sell this product easily. Okay. So that also we are doing. Okay. And major important thing is to keep your customers safe from the digital arm. This is the major important thing because your customers are right now not safe from the digital arm, and this because of this product you can provide them this security. Okay, so now I will show you the how this Secura works. Okay, so let me start. So before I start, I just want to ask one by one partners, do you have any type of requirements you got from the customer that they face some issues with their data or their employees stolen some data or by mistake the data is get deleted or something has happened? So Mr. Ashok, can you say about this? Mr. Ashok, you there? Mr. Ashok? Mr. Anil?
Sir, as far as I think, we need to create the necessity. It is of course necessary for everyone, and but they might not know or they might not aware about all these things. So we must make them aware that these are the benefits of the particular software, and if
Right.
they do so, they will be benefited.
True, sir. True. I agree with you, sir, on that case. True. So that is the case, actually. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, everybody can see my screen. Okay, so you can see the Secura product. Okay.
Yes.
And you can see the blank screen manager, because why I start the blank screen manager, otherwise you can't see the back screen actually. Because in our system, screen sharing and screen recording by default it's not working. So if I'm sharing my screen, but you can't see my product because screen sharing and screen recording is by default is off. Okay. So let me start what we are offering in the Secura Guard. We are offering you Secura Guard, Secura Cloud we provide you. We offer you instant messaging solutions. We also provide you Secura File Explorer, which help you to protect your data. And we also provide you settings module. So these many modules we provide. Okay. And then we also provide you the tally icon also. I will show you how this works actually. Okay. So now you can see I started some of the modules, but you can't see these modules, right? So now let me show you. When now you can see one by one all the modules. All the modules you can see now. So it's a blank screen manager was there, and that's the reason you can see my modules, all these things. Okay. So in the chat, we provide one-to-one as well as group chat. Okay. You can do group chat as well as one-to-one chat. You can do audio video call with your employees. And the advantage here, the instant messaging solution, the Secura is also working on the Windows environment, Mac environment, and Android phone and iPhone. Okay. So if your employees are working on, means you can install Secura on their iPhone or Android phone, and you can communicate with them. And even within your organization, suppose 2 people are chatting with each other, as a company owner, you can see any user chat anytime. Okay. And suppose that person is left, you don't have to worry. You just need to suspend his account. Automatically, all the backup and everything will be updated at your side. Okay. So you have a chat backup history, everything with you, but the employees in the employee's mobile, everything data will get burned. So automatically all the data will get deleted from the employee's devices. So you don't have to worry that, okay, now if right now currently the major problem we see with the organization, some of the organization which is concerned about their privacy and data security, they're seeing that their data is getting shared through WhatsApp majorly nowadays, because people are working from home. They do WhatsApp call, they do WhatsApp sharing and everything through WhatsApp. And this is WhatsApp, whatever they're using with their own phone, not their office phone. Okay. So data is now getting out of the control. Because of that, we have added this instant messaging modules to protect them, this type of data also. We also provide you cloud solution. So what we do here, as we discussed previously, that in Tally data security, we protect your Tally data. So let me start with the protection of Tally data first, and then I will show you the cloud data. Then you can easily understand. So what we provide in the settings module, we provide you folder lock module, which is controlled by the admin password. I'm starting the folder lock module. So you can see the folder lock option, right? Now in my computer, generally in your computer, Tally folder, Tally data is there. Okay. So let me first unlock some data. Okay. So you can see normally the data lies like this data. You can see in my computer data. अनिल जी, अशोक जी, आपको डेटा दिख रहा है मेरे यहाँ पे?
Yes.
प्रिंस शर्मा?
Yes sir, दिख रहा है.
या
Yes
दिख
sir.
रहा है, बराबर है? तो ये
Yes.
डेटा नॉर्मली ओपन रहता है. अभी मुझे इसको प्रोटेक्ट करना है. ऐसे मल्टीपल हमारे डेटा फोल्डर रहते हैं कंप्यूटर में, एक ही नहीं फोल्डर रहता है, मल्टीपल रहते हैं. तो हम लोग को जो फोल्डर प्रोटेक्ट करना है, हमको क्या करना है? प्लस बटन पे क्लिक करना है. मुझे जहाँ पे डेटा मेरा पड़ा है वहां पे मैं फोल्डर में जाऊंगा. ओके, मेरा ये डेटा फोल्डर ये सिलेक्ट करना है, तो मैंने ये सिलेक्ट कर लिया और मैं ये डेटा फोल्डर में जाके उसको मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, प्रोटेक्शन दे रहा हूँ. आई विल गिव यू द एडिंग द प्रोटेक्शन मार्क एज अ हिडन नाउ. ओके, व्हेन आई डन दिस, ये क्या होता है, हमने हमारे सॉफ्टवेयर में क्या किया, जैसे मैंने हिडन मार्क किया, देखो अचानक डेटा फोल्डर दिखना गायब हो गया. डेटा फोल्डर है मेरे कंप्यूटर में, लेकिन क्या हो रहा है, एरर क्या आ रहा है, विंडोज कांट फाइंड डेटा, चेक द स्पेलिंग एंड ट्राई अगेन. सो हमने क्या किया है कि हमने इजी तरह से ऐसा काम किया है कि आपका डेटा आपके कंप्यूटर में पड़ा है लेकिन कोई देख नहीं पाएगा. फर्स्ट तो देखिए, अभी सीडी टैली कर रहा हूँ, सीडी डेटा भी कर रहा हूँ, डॉस कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट में भी कर रहा हूँ, उसमें भी मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है, एलिमेंट नॉट फाउंड आ रहा है. ओके, सो हमने आपका डेटा पहले तो प्रोटेक्ट कर लिया. अभी आप बोलोगे कि टैली कैसे चलेगा अगर सब डेटा, तो टैली कैसे, इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम का फीचर दिया है, जहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है कि जो प्रोग्राम को आपको अलाउ करना है, वो प्रोग्राम की EXE को आपको सिलेक्ट करना है. जैसे टैली को मुझे अलाउ करना है, तो मैं टैली EXE को ऐड कर रहा हूँ. ओके, सो आई हैव एडेड द टैली EXE नाउ. ये मेरा टैली EXE मैंने ऐड कर दिया. अभी मैंने उसको एनेबल नहीं किया एक्सेस देने के लिए, लेकिन अभी मैं टैली स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ आपको दिखाने के लिए. अभी देखिए, आपको टैली में डेटा दिख रहा है, आपको टैली में डेटा दिख रहा है अनिल जी?
No sir.
अभी मैं देखिए एनेबल कर रहा हूँ, एनेबल किया मैंने टैली को, और अभी मैं एक्सेप्ट कर रहा हूँ और वापस सिलेक्ट कंपनी में जा रहा हूँ. देखो डेटा दिखना चालू हो गया मेरा.
Yes.
टैली में दिख रहा है, लेकिन अभी भी मुझे यहाँ पे डेटा बाहर देखने जाऊंगा, मुझे नहीं दिखेगा. ओके, सो ये फायदा है, आपका डेटा आपके कंप्यूटर में पड़ा है लेकिन कोई एक्सेस नहीं कर पाएगा. अभी हो गया प्रोटेक्शन. अभी हमने क्या किया है, दूसरा सॉल्यूशन दिया है कि यहाँ पे डेटा में जाके मैं यहाँ पे देखूंगा, टैली मोड ऑन करूंगा. जैसे मैंने ये टैली मोड ऑन किया, ये टैली मोड क्या करेगा, मेरे जो भी कंप्यूटर में डेटा पड़ा है, अभी मैं क्या करूंगा, इसको मैं बंद कर रहा हूँ टैली को. ओके, अभी मेरा जैसे ही मेरा डेटा, ये क्या कर रहा है, हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर क्या करेगा, ये जो भी डेटा पड़ा है उसको है ना एनक्रिप्ट करेगा, और एनक्रिप्ट करके हमारा सिक्योरा क्लाउड में अपलोड करेगा. जैसे कि मैं अभी आपको बता रहा हूँ, सिक्योरा क्लाउड, ये क्लाउड सर्वर है, उसमें सिक्योरा क्लाउड में ये डेटा अपलोड होगा. एक सेकंड, मैंने कोलैबोरेशन चालू कर दिया, सिक्योरा क्लाउड में गया. अभी देखेंगे यहाँ पे मेरा डेटा सब अपलोड हो गया, टैली का डेटा जिप बन के, और जो भी डेटा अपलोड हुआ है वो एनक्रिप्टेड अपलोड हुआ है। तो एच एंड एवरी डेटा विल बी एनक्रिप्टेड विद द रैंडम कीज और वो अपलोड होता है। तो आपका डेटा भी बैकअप जो भी रहता है सर्वर पे कहाँ पे भी रखना है, अगर आपको आपके ऑफिस के सर्वर में रखना है वो भी रख सकते हैं। फिर हम एडिशनल प्रोविजन देने वाले हैं, विद इन 2 मंथ्स हमारा आ जाएगा, जहाँ पे हम आपको गूगल ड्राइव या वन ड्राइव में भी आपको बैकअप रखना है या ड्रॉपबॉक्स में भी रखना है, वो भी हम आपको कर देंगे कि आपका टैली का डेटा आपको वहां पे रखना है वहां पे रख सकते हैं, वो भी एनक्रिप्टेड रख सकते हैं। ओके, सो फायदा क्या है, 2 फायदा है। एक तो पहले तो आपके कंपनी में जो भी कंप्यूटर में जो भी डेटा था उसका ऑटो बैकअप चालू हो गया, मतलब मैं जैसे ही कोई डेटा चेंज करूंगा, मैं टैली क्लोज करूंगा, ऑटोमेटिकली उसका बैकअप चला जाएगा। तो आपको वर्जनिंग का ऑप्शन मिलेगा, मतलब मेरा कोई भी डेटा है उसका वर्जन बनेगा। तो क्या होगा, और ये इंक्रीमेंटल वर्जन है, मतलब कि अगर मैं जो 2 तारीख का भी मेरे को डेटा चाहिए, 3 तारीख का डेटा चाहिए, तो मैं यहाँ से डेटा में क्लिक करके डाउनलोड कर सकता हूँ और उसको मैं यूज कर सकता हूँ। एक वो मेरे पास ऑप्शन हो जाता है। दूसरा फायदा क्या हो जाता है कि अगर मेरा हार्ड डिस्क क्रैश हो गया या कुछ भी हो गया तो मेरा डेटा लॉस नहीं होगा। थर्ड, मेरा रैंसमवेयर प्रोटेक्शन तो मैंने ऑलरेडी दिखा दिया, क्योंकि आपका कोई भी एप्लीकेशन आपके वहां पे फोल्डर में डेटा ही नहीं देख पाएगा, तो आपका रैंसमवेयर प्रोटेक्शन ऑटोमेटिकली हो गया। ओके, और वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो, अगर रैंसमवेयर अटैक भी होता है या हार्ड डिस्क क्रैश होता है या कोई भी अटैक होता है, तो आपका डेटा का बैकअप ऑलरेडी सर्वर पे है। ओके, सो आपको वो भी एक फायदा हो गया आपको। अभी हम लोग आपको ये और एक फायदा दे रहे हैं, अभी ये जो टैली चालू करोगे, जैसे ही मेरा प्रोटेक्शन हो गया, मेरा टैली चालू करूंगा, तो मैं टैली मेरा अभी यहाँ से डेटा ओपन नहीं कर पाऊंगा, नॉर्मल जो बाहर से टैली एक्सेस करने जाऊंगा मैं डेटा एक्सेस नहीं कर पाऊंगा। ओके, अभी मैं जो भी डेटा एक्सेस करूंगा यहाँ से एक्सेस नहीं कर पाऊंगा। अभी मुझे एक्सेस करना है तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा, मुझे एक्सेस करने के लिए मेरा सिक्योरा में लॉगिन करना पड़ेगा और मुझे टैली यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा। जब मैं टैली यहाँ से स्टार्ट करूंगा तो टैली क्या करेगा कि मैं टैली के डेटा के थ्रू में कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के थ्रू मैं टैली ओपन कर पाऊंगा, और टैली का जो काम होगा वो मेरा सिक्योरा के थ्रू होगा। तो फायदा क्या हो गया कि आपका डेटा जो है, एम्प्लॉय है, अगर जिसको टैली स्टार्ट करना है उसको सिक्योरा के थ्रू चालू करना है। ओके, और उसमें हमने सिक्योरा में और 2 ऑप्शन दिए हैं, जो नॉर्मल मोड है और एक प्राइवेट एरिया भी ऑप्शन दिया। ये दिख रहा है प्राइवेट एरिया आपको। तो प्राइवेट एरिया का फायदा क्या है, वाई वी प्रोवाइड यू प्राइवेट एरिया। अगर आपके कोई ऐसा डेटा है जो किसी को हाथ में नहीं आने देना है, किसी को भी दिखना नहीं चाहिए, तो मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं प्राइवेट एरिया के पासवर्ड से लॉगिन करूंगा, प्राइवेट एरिया के पासवर्ड से भी लॉगिन करूंगा। और अभी मैं प्राइवेट एरिया स्टार्ट करूंगा। जैसे मैं प्राइवेट एरिया स्टार्ट करूंगा, मेरा जो डेटा है कंप्यूटर का डेटा है जिसको मुझे प्राइवेट एरिया में ऐड करना है, मैं मूव कर सकता हूँ। सेकेंड एडवांटेज मेरा ये है, प्राइवेट एरिया में तो मूव कर दिया मैंने, चलो गुड, लेकिन दूसरा एडवांटेज ये है कि जब भी मुझे उसका डेटा किसी को भी चोरी करना है या किसी को भी देखना है, इवन कोई भी आके देखना है, आपके कंप्यूटर को एक्सेस करेगा, उसको कभी भी डेटा दिखेगा ही नहीं, बिकॉज वो डेटा प्राइवेट एरिया में पड़ा है, जिसका पासवर्ड आपको पता है, किसी और को नहीं पता है। जैसे अभी ये देखेंगे, मैं अभी ये सेम फाइल में अभी ओपन करने जा रहा हूँ जो मैंने पहले भी ओपन की थी। ओके, अभी आप देखेंगे कई सारी फाइल्स मुझे प्राइवेट एरिया में 007, 0014, ये 12 नंबर है, 1000, 10,000 फोल्डर है, ये सब प्राइवेट एरिया के पार्ट है, इसलिए यहाँ पे आइकन दिखा रहा है। और इसका जो भी डेटा है अगर मैं प्राइवेट एरिया से ओपन करूंगा तो ही मैं देख पाऊंगा, अभी मैं इसको नहीं ओपन कर पाऊंगा, मतलब अदरवाइज नहीं ओपन कर पाऊंगा, सॉरी। और अगर मुझे कोई भी डेटा प्राइवेटली मूव करना है, मैं सीधा क्लिक करके मार्क एज प्राइवेट करूंगा, वो मूव हो जाएगा। ओके, सो इस तरह से हम आपको ऐसे भी सिक्योरिटी देते हैं। और अभी जब भी मैं प्राइवेट एरिया से टैली चालू करूंगा तो मुझे प्राइवेट फाइल्स ही मेरी ओपन होगी, अभी मुझे नॉर्मल फाइल्स नहीं दिखेगी, मुझे प्राइवेट टैली डेटा में काम कर पाऊंगा, नॉर्मल लोगों को वो काम नहीं दिखेगा। और जब भी मैं सिक्योरा बंद करूंगा, मैं प्राइवेट एरिया से एक ही क्लिक में से बाहर आ सकता हूँ। जैसे भी मैंने देखिए यहाँ पे एक प्राइवेट एरिया डिसेबल्ड है, मैंने क्लिक करूंगा, ऑटोमेटिकली मैं प्राइवेट एरिया से बाहर आ जाऊंगा। ओके, सो ये सब फीचर्स हम सिक्योरा में देते हैं। सो अभी आपको कोई कमेंट या क्वेश्चन है, प्लीज पूछ सकते हैं आप लोग। किसी को कोई क्वेश्चंस प्लीज आस्क। अशोक जी, आपको कोई क्वेश्चन? अशोक भाई,
Ashok sir, Anil sir, do you have any question? You can ask Himanshu sir.
so Anil ji, can you hear me, sir?
Anil sir,
Who is?
हेलो
हाँ
हेलो
सर, हाँ सर, अनिल जी
हाँ
बताइए।
सर, मैं कह रहा हूँ प्राइसिंग पूछ रहा हूँ सॉफ्टवेयर की।
हाँ, प्राइसिंग में आपको बता देता हूँ। अभी हमारा ये जो सॉफ्टवेयर का प्राइसिंग है, हमने सिक्योरा गार्ड की वेबसाइट में भी रखा हुआ है। ये हमारे पास दो प्राइसिंग है, एक टेली सिंगल यूजर के लिए और मल्टी यूजर के लिए। तो टेली सिंगल यूजर का हमारा प्राइसिंग है 3500 है, ओके। और हमारा मल्टी यूजर पर यूजर हमारा 2450 रुपीज है, ओके। और इसमें पार्टनर को 25% कम करके मिलेगा, ओके।
और जो रिन्यूअल है वो 350।
रिन्यूअल में भी सेम अमाउंट रहेगा, 2450 रुपीज। सो बिफोर आई स्टार्ट सर, बिकॉज मुझे सर ये जानना है कि आपके पास ये ऐसे कस्टमर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट आती है?
Sir, we are right now, as far as I am concerned, I deal in education sector. We are Tally Institute of Learning. We are
Okay.
TIL. So directly we are not selling softwares to the customers, but still there are a lot of people whom we have taught, and they are working in different organizations. So
Okay.
we can tell them about all these things, and I hope this must work.
Good sir. Good sir. Okay sir. Thank you for your feedback sir. And pricing wise you see, okay?
Yes, okay. I think so. It's not so expensive.
Yes sir. Thank you for your suggestion and feedback sir. Okay, Guru Gautam Infotech, who is there?
Hello.
Mr. Raj Shekhar is there.
Yes sir, Raj Shekhar ji, बोलिए sir.
I have a small doubt here.
Yes, please ask.
See, actually, Tally multi-user can be worked in the local area network, no?
Right, perfect.
Yeah. With this software, can user will be enabled to work from the remote? Is there any possibility?
Yes, it is possible. So
Okay.
what we have done, suppose you have sorry, good question sir. This is actually forgot to mention here, and it's thank you for reminding me also for this. So for example, in my organization, currently in our organization, I have a 5 user, for example, okay.
Yes.
They are working and they are working on the LAN network, so they are able to access the data with the protection, okay. So that is provision is there in the secure. Now what we are giving you additional feature now for example, you are working from home and I am working from home, and we also want to work simultaneously on the Tally
Yes, sir.
where other people are working. So what we have done, you need to buy a static IP in the organization, and we can provide you a data outside of the network also, and that data is visible and accessible from secure only.
Great, sir. Great. So they can work.
They can work. They can work parallelly.
Great, great.
These features we are actually testing right now. We already done testing, and we are releasing by 15th or 16th. Sorry, 16th of August.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, but right now you can secure within the organization data.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but if you want to work from home outside, now here the advantage here is we are using the same network. Okay, so in Tally, you can within the network you can use unlimited licenses when multi-user license is there. But if you are working remotely, they allow you to work with the 10 user license only.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here the way we did, that limitation is not there. Are you getting me, sir? So it will work like you are working in the local area, local computer only. Hello? Hello?
Yes, Himanshu sir, we can hear you.
Yeah. Srinivasan and Deshbandhu Vyas.
They have joined here late, sir. I think they
Do you
missed.
have any questions? Do you have any questions?
Srinivas sir, you can ask a question to Himanshu sir if you want to ask.
Sir, I would like to ask one more question.
Yes, sir.
Sir, just imagine it is a single user license of Tally,
Huh.
and there are multiple operators on that particular computer.
Huh.
So, do we need to take multiple licenses for that for every user?
Okay, so if you are using in the same computer,
Hmm.
then you don't have to.
Only when different computers are being used,
Different
then we need.
computer you. Yes, yes. It's a
Ah.
user, and second thing also, it's a single computer, but you have created 5 to 6 users, and you want the user-wise access rights.
Yes.
Then you need.
Right, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Mr. Srinivas, Ashok ji, Ashok, Mr. Ashok, you there? Okay, so if everyone is okay with the answers, now what is the process of becoming a partner? So our business development manager will share you a partner registration link. Okay, and from that link you can register as a partner, and when you register you will get the email, and also you will get the agreement, partnership agreement, and with that you will get the free software link. So we are going to provide you this software for yourself as a partner free. So you can use this software for your own use, as well as this is help you to showcase the demo, sir. So for example, if you want to show the demo to your customers, you can showcase with the help of this demo software, which we provide you as a free.
Thank
Okay?
you. Thanks a lot for that.
Yeah.
It's really wonderful.
Yes. So basically, the advantage, see, important thing is that when you see advantage, then you are able to sell this product very efficiently.
Yes,
Right?
certainly.
Yeah. So
So
now
thank
anybody
you.
has a, sorry, yes, sir, Anilji?
Thank you, sir. Shall I
Yeah.
leave? There is a class of me, so I'll
no
have to leave.
problem, no problem.
Thank you,
can
sir.
leave.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, we're done. Is everybody has no question? Then we can now finish this meeting now and this call, and you can also communicate with our BDM if you have any question, further question, and you also you can call me if you have any question.